Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Toggl Track to Asana projects, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Toggl Track website. Log into your Toggl Track account using your credentials. In the Toggl Track dashboard, find and click on the Integrations option. Locate the Asana integration from the list provided. Click on the Connect button next to Asana. You will be redirected to the Asana login page if you're not already logged in. Enter your Asana credentials and log in to your Asana account. Once logged in, you will see a prompt requesting permission for Toggl Track to access your Asana projects. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. Return to the Toggl Track dashboard. Now, navigate to the project where you want to track time. In the project view, you will see an option to link tasks to Toggl Track. Select the specific task for which you want to track time. Click on the Toggl Track icon displayed next to the task. A timer interface will pop up, allowing you to start tracking your time. After completing your task, click Stop on the timer. You can view the logged time directly within your Toggl Track dashboard. To analyze your time entries, use the reporting features in Toggl Track. Remember to regularly review your Asana projects and time logged for better productivity. That's it. You have successfully connected Toggl Track to your Asana projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.